Graves' disease. Introduction. Thyroid hormones affect heart rate. Select true or false. Correct. Thyroid hormones affect heart rate, blood pressure, body temperature, and weight. An overactive thyroid causes every function of the body to speed up. Select true or false. Correct. An overactive thyroid can affect heart rate, metabolism, muscle strength, and weight. Kelsey has been feeling weak and irritable. She has also noticed an irregular heartbeat. Should Kelsey contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Fatigue, irritability, and an irregular heartbeat may be signs of a problem. Kelsey should contact her healthcare provider. Which of the following is used to treat Graves' disease? Choose one of the following options. 1. Medicines. 2. Radioiodine therapy. 3. Surgery. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.